Petey. Petey. Pete. Oh my god, my bird is dead!
Hey.
What's up, Dave?
Well, my bird died today.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Yeah, thanks. Gonna have a funeral for it tomorrow. You guys will you come?
Oh, yeah, we'll be there.
Thank you.
Hello?
Hello, this is Dave.
Hey, Dave.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay. Could you meet me at the restaurant?
Yeah.
I'd like to talk to you.
Okay, what time?
Like in an hour.
Okay, we'll do.
All right, thanks.
Bye. What'd you have to meet about?
My bird, Petey, died.
I'm so sorry.
I'm gonna have a funeral tomorrow. Will you come?
I will definitely be there.
Thank you.
Okay, we are here to mourn the loss of Dave's bird, Petey. Dave, anything? Dave, some words?
I can't take it. Can't take it anymore. I can't take it. Can't take it.
Let me do that for you.